Sometimes you want to go where the air is always free.
Callie, do you remember that time we accidentally got married? I still don't know how that happened.
Unfortunately, yes. I had to spend a week explaining to everyone that it was an accident, not a romantic gesture.
Hey, Kiloa, you look different. Did Cupid hit you with one of those arrows?
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm the same brooding sorcerer as always, just with a little more spark.
You know, I've always thought you had the prettiest scales. We should, go on an adventure together. Just the two of us.
Thok, are you feeling all right? What kind of potion did you drink?
Thorbold, can you stop serenading the customers? We have a Cupid situation here.
But love is in the air. I'm just trying to set the mood.
I think I have feelings for you now. What do you mean? Is it the arrows?
I'm trying to brood here, can't you see? But I guess I do feel a little fluttery.
Hey, you with the bow. Can you take these feelings back? I don't want to marry Callie again.
No refunds on love, but I can offer a discount on friendship instead.
So, Thok, dinner tomorrow, just to clarify, as friends.
Sure, but if we wake up married again, I'm moving to another plane.
To love, or whatever that was. May our adventures always be this ridiculous.
And remember, no more Cupid arrows in my tavern. It's a bar, not a brothel.
You wanna be where everybody drinks for free.